Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be deep cleaning and redecorating my upstairs bathroom. Right now this is the primary bathroom for my boys, and I also have been using the shower because the shower in our room is under construction. So this is what it looked like before. I don't know if you noticed that metal shelving over top of the toilet, but we're going to be taking that out first. The first thing we did was Chris put up these shelves that we just got from Target. I will link them below, but they're just super simple and easy and clean looking, and I love how it turned out. Now I'm just taking down our old shower curtain and shower curtain liner since I got new ones. Now I'm just getting rid of all of the trash that's in the bathroom, including some toiletries that were empty in the bathroom, as well as some toys that are kind of broken or growing mold. I'm taking up the bath mat, and I'm going to be basically taking all of the linens out of the bathroom and washing all of them. Next, I'm just taking everything out of the shower so that I can go ahead and give it a good scrub. What can I do to make you This is by far my favorite thing to use in my shower and bathtub, and all it is equal parts Blue Dawn and vinegar. Just be Now I'm just rinsing everything off, and then I'm going to go ahead and clean the toilet.
And I just wanna see the colors in a rainbow, 'cause we just wanna be in this dream forever. Just in this dream forever. Run away, and I know I'm right now. We can change anything and make it better together. Now we're strong, don't question it. The truth will break your chains. We have the key. Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answers, and they ain't never gonna hold us back.
Next, I'm moving on to the mirror and sink.
Imagine life without a purpose. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Run away, and time will find a place that we call home. They can try anything, we'll make it better together now. Don't be afraid of letting go. I know there's more, we can be free. Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answers, and they
And next, I'm just going to go ahead and put everything back in its place, and then I'm going to be vacuuming and mopping.
imagine life without a purpose. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Everything you're fighting for.
In the middle of vacuuming, I realized that I didn't wipe down the wooden part of the vanity, so now I'm going to go ahead and do that.
After my silver soul, can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this go.
I love all of these finishing touches that I got from Target, this brush your teeth, and I got the matching hand wash to go with it as well. And the shower curtain matches all of this too. So I'll have all of that linked in the description box.
Now I've learned to never help you out.
Being that I'm 18 weeks pregnant, I had my husband go ahead and hang the shower curtain for me. And now I'm just putting up these cute little signs. I got this Never Grow Up sign at Hobby Lobby, and then I got this So Fresh and So Clean sign from the Target Dollar Spot a few weeks ago. I was feeling like my OCD was kicking in with these wrinkles, so I tried to steam out the shower curtain, and eventually I got tired of it and didn't finish it because it was barely making a dent. Now that the bathroom is all clean, I'm going to go ahead and throw in everything from the bathroom, the bath mats, and floor mats included. And that is all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. What cleaning video do you all want to see next?
Now I've learned to never help you out.